After all the restriction brought to us by the COVID-19 for almost 2 years, I could not imagine how we survived staying at home for that long, and even how I endured the whole process to survive from COVID as well. It is so sad how many people lost their lives fighting for this COVID-19. And aside from that, there are lots of people behind the lights who lose their lives fighting also for their mental health during the lockdown. That is why we decided to take the road, go to beautiful places to learn, and be given the opportunity to improve our mental health through travel, making our minds busy. We hit the road to explore and enjoy because we know therapy is expensive. We need to value our life and we must go on. So today, I have decided to visit the municipality of Kapalong in this province. It's about 30 minutes away from the city of Tagum and kilala sila sa kanilang mga magagandang caves at falls. At uunahin nating i-explore itong caves nila for it makes me super excited. And before exploring it, it is important to visit the Kapalong tourism first para sa isang quick orientation about the place. At sila na ang mag-connect sa atin sa mga local guides na malapit sa caves. So, ito ang Okbut Cave at isa ito sa 3 cave na bibisitahin natin. Kung nasa loob ka, andyan yung feeling ng takot at pamamangha na hindi mo maiwasan. Mixed feelings ika nga na nakakawala ng stress. When you go out, ang dami mong kwentong dala and you become a storyteller. From the beautiful Okbut Cave, we are now in underground river cave. It's an open cave kasi nasira siya long time ago but you can still enjoy swimming here. Napakalamig ng tubig and so refreshing. And this is the last cave, the Alina cave. Very challenging yung inner structure niya but still super worth it. Pareho silang lahat na cave kung tawagin, but they have different stories to tell us about paano sila nabuo sa haba ng panahon at sana'y ipagpatuloy ang pag-alaga at pagpapahalaga sa kanila. Good morning! It's another day for our nature adventure in the municipality of Kapalong. Nag-book kami ng canyoneering adventure sa kanilang Tagtugonan Falls. It's my first time to do this, hoping nakakayanin but it sounds interesting naman. It was a great adventure indeed. We have so much fun and we are so thankful to Kapalong Tourism and its partners for this wonderful experience. The best talaga, and let us support Kapalong Tourism.